We are in a new stage of polypropylene 3D printing. So these are not off-the-shelf grades that are used in injection molding or extrusion. These are custom-designed polypropylene grades for 3D printing. When we were able to access pellet-based printing with machines like the Titan robotics printer, we're able to print at such a fast scale where parts that would take days to print on a filament machine are now taking just a few hours on a pellet-based printer. When you think about desktop printers, maybe printing a scaled-down version of one of these parts might take 10 hours. You would think it would take much longer when you go to the larger scale printer, but in fact, we're able to print it full-scale parts in about the same amount of time, talking hours, not days. You can find that in the parts we produced here with the paddleboard, the fenders, and the Jeep door. These were all parts that many people would have said were impossible, but you're able to see today that they actually can be printed and are very functional using 3D printing.